This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marlene Aiden. Annual, unfurnished, 1 bedroom 1.5 bathrooms with private full-size washer/dryer in the unit. This unique floor plan has an entry foyer with a laundry room and half bath. You walk down to the main living area with updated white kitchen, dining/living area and bedroom/full bath. There is a sliding door out to the screened patio overlooking the tennis courts from the living area. The property is in the process of being made ready for a new tenant. New dishwasher, freshly painted and more. Cable is included. There is a gym on the property, with a community pool. Tennis is available at an extra cost. For more information, review the details below.